At Team America Rocketry Challenge, we design and build rockets to compete with other teams nationally. So when we build our rockets, we use this program to simulate our trajectories. We also have to calculate the center of mass and the center of gravity of our rocket, which requires important physics calculations about how mass is separated throughout the rocket. And also, when creating these specifically engineered parts that are crucial for our rocket, we have to design them with certain parameters in mind, and we have to use mathematical equations to help us get to the perfect rocket.
The changes we apply to the simulation directly affect the physical performance of the rocket because each variable is crucial for the rocket's performance.
We go through iteration after iteration after iteration, fine-tuning variables until the ideal rocket is constructed.
This year, for the TARC challenge, we had to create a transition cone so that one of the larger body tubes could connect to a smaller body tube and it would fit together. So we had to engineer it ourselves because we couldn't find one specific to our exact body tubes online. So what we did is we designed one ourselves and we 3D printed it so that it would be designed to our own specific circumstances.
So using mathematical calculations and equations and such, we've actually learned a bunch of tips and tricks that help us on our rocketry endeavors. For example, the center of gravity, which is where mass balances out in the rocket, and the center of pressure, which is where the surface area and outside forces balance out, they actually have a specific relation, and that can either cause you great success or failure when you're dealing with the rocket's stability. We've learned that the center of gravity should be above the center of pressure by about the rocket's diameter.
Through this problem-solving process, math variables are incorporated into the design of the rocket. With the mathematical information WSMA provides, this allows for a fun and exciting experience for students. Through WSMA's financial support, we are able to build and construct rockets to help us compete.